Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the third, no, not third, fourth video in the Introduction to Julia series. So, in this video, I was going to talk about arithmetic operations in Julia, yeah, but and then I realized that all the code that I wrote in the previous video, I just lost them because I closed the Julia REPL. So I think that the best thing we could do is install an editor so that everything will be writing in a text file, yeah, in a Julia file that we will save. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install Atom by GitHub, Atom editor, and then install the Juno, I think it's called Juno, which is an extension for the Atom. I already have them, and so I will not be installing them, but I'll just show you what you need to do. So go to Atom. Because over time, when you get used to Google, you'll know how to search for things. When you program, when you become a programmer, you get used to how to search for things. So the latest is 1.155.0. So click download. If you're on Windows, I think it sometimes knows the system you are in, but download the correct one for your system. Again, you can use any editor. In my case, I normally use these three. So you see, they are the only editors that I have, except for RStudio when I'm doing R. But normally, in most cases, I use this. So in this case, I'll be using Atom. Download it and install. And I think it will go and do some installation after you download it. So, and then just click it to open, so that you can open the Atom editor. In my case, I think it has some programs. So I'll create a folder where I will be writing my codes and call it new folder and call it Julia. Then the file open folder, go to desktop. By the Atom, the one thing about Atom you need to know is that it's heavy. So you see, in my case, it's loading a Lancer program. I think it's a Node program. So it's a React program, so it has Node modules. So I think in next that is what is making even my slow. Desktop Julia. Okay. Let's close that one because we need this one. So if it doesn't show you the home, I expect that you already installed it. So if it doesn't show you the stage where at least you can install packages and themes easily, then you need to, it's normally in the welcome page. So you can do files. Don't know if it can zoom. Now I'm not sure how to zoom the page. I think it cannot zoom these until you get into the editor. Then go to settings. Then see packages. Now what we need is Juno. When you install Juno, it will install, I think it's called Julia Inc. or Inc. Now you install Julia client, install Juno Plus. You see, if it's not pre-installed, it will be showing you button for installing inside of settings. So you install them, install Atom Inc., install Julia client, and install Juno Plus. So you need to install those ones so that you can work with what we need. So you'll see a button for installing. That is everything you need to know. Now in our case, let's create a new file and call it fast.jl. This is it. Julia programs, you name them with extension .jl. Now fast.jl. Case sensitive. Now you see. Friend, hello. The good thing is install what I just told you to install, then I think again you will need to install a package called, what do you normally call it? Hydrogen. Please install hydrogen. That will allow you to run code executable. Print ln. Now doing this one will not work, but 1 plus 1. This one you will run codes as if you are in the interactive session. I don't know why it's not running though. For some reason, still indexing in juno because I think it's heavy. But now that you install it, then I think that it will mark the end of the video, so that from the next video we'll start covering